Hey everyone, I'm going to talk about the best convertible Ultrabooks currently available on the market. This new Windows 8 Ultrabook category is still very new, and the convertibles in our last video make a return to this one as well, as a few more are also added that have been released so far in January 2013. I'll go through a quick recap of the previous covered Ultrabooks that are listed in our top list for convertible Ultrabooks. First, the Lenovo IdeaPad Yoga is still our top choice for a convertible Ultrabook, with its 13.3-inch touchscreen display on hinges that allow it to flip all the way back 360 degrees to transform into a tablet. The Ultrabook weighs around 3.4 pounds and is only 0.67 inch thick. With different models to choose from with different prices starting at $1,049, it may be a little bit pricey, but the machine is excellent. The design and build quality on the Yoga is top-notch and is very easy to work with, and its performance is great too, especially if you upgrade to the Intel Core i7 processor model. Next is the Dell XPS 12, which has a touchscreen display that flips the screen inside of the lid of the Ultrabook and can be reclosed to act as a tablet with the touchscreen facing outward. It is about the same weight as the Yoga, but slightly lighter at 3.35 pounds, and it has a thickness of 0.79 inch that tapers down to 0.59 inch at the front end. The Dell XPS 12 was also released with 4 different models to choose from, starting at $1,199 with the basic specs, and it goes up to a high-end price of $1,699 with the i7 processor and 256 gigs of solid-state memory and 8 gigs of RAM. Next is the Sony VAIO Duo 11, which has an 11.6-inch touchscreen display and a nice set of features. When it's closed, the Duo acts as a tablet using Windows 8 and the tile-style touchscreen. When you want to use the Duo as a laptop or need a keyboard or anything, the top part of the tablet with the touchscreen will slide back and upward to reveal the keyboard using Sony's Surf Slider. The Duo was released with 4 options to choose from, starting with $1,099 for the base model with the Intel 5 processor, a 128 gig SSD drive, and 4 gigs of RAM. Now on to the more recently released convertibles. This is the Lenovo 12.5-inch ThinkPad Twist, which has hinges connecting the touchscreen display, allowing it to twist 180 degrees around so that it can act as a tablet when closed with the display facing outward. The Twist weighs around 3.5 pounds and is 0.8 inches thick, but starting at only $829, it is an excellent entry-level convertible Ultrabook for that price. The upgraded model starts at only $70 more. That includes the Core i5 processor, which is highly recommended over the i3, especially for only $70 more. Next, we have the HP Envy x2, or X2, the HP Envy X2. I sometimes accidentally call it the x2 because it has 2 pieces. But anyways, it has a touchscreen display that actually detaches completely from the bottom half to act as its own 11.6-inch standalone tablet. Altogether as an Ultrabook, this Envy weighs just over 3 pounds and is only 0.76 inch thick. It does have an incredible battery life, almost doubling the average Ultrabook. Considering the Envy has 2 batteries, one in each half, when together it can power the Ultrabook away from the charger for up to and even over 12 hours. The price tag of $849 is about the price you'd expect to see on high-end tablets like the 64 gig iPad. One thing you'll notice is the Intel Atom processor, which isn't quite as powerful as Intel's Core series found in other Ultrabooks. This Envy specs aren't as incredible as other Ultrabooks, but it's still a great machine and works great as a standalone tablet with the full Windows 8 operating system. For more information on these convertibles and the ones announced to be released, check out our page at topultrabooks.com and see everything about all the best Ultrabooks. Thanks, I'll see you guys later.